Hello everyone, today GPM Racing brought us a steering upgrade luxury combo. They are made by CNC machine and 3D streamlined for metallic appearance, anodized with GPM Racing signature scratch, resistant, vibrant, alluring colors. These few items are sophisticated, designed for upgrading the steering performance. So they are our luxury combo. Especially the C-hubs are designed with multiple angles for adjustment. And we modified the theory to allow us using bearing with knuckle arms. You will feel a significant difference in the precision of the steering that gives you a better control of the car. You will enjoy the ride and race with no worries. Are you ready to push your limits? Let's drive with GPM Racing. Drive with passion!